Over 70% of men say they'd rather cut their life expectancy than ditch meat. Fucking Meatflakes. This is a survey in Australia. It also found that 47% saw eating meat as a masculine undertaking. These aren't scientific, but the point is, people say this kind of dumb shit, right? They say it, they don't mean it, whatever. 1 in 10 young British men would rather go to jail than stop eating meat. Another survey found. When these young men are coming out with silly shit like that, they'd rather go to jail. It's just, they're not being serious, but I mean, they're voting for it in a poll. Like, I'd rather go to jail or I'd rather have a lower life expectancy. Is it really any surprise that we've got people like that, what I learned today, doing the absolute best to try and look for any reason to keep eating meat, like a big fucking meat flake? If you don't know what a meat flake is, guys, it's a term that I coined because snowflake is already taken by, you know, snowflake is whatever. We get called a snowflake all the time. There was no word for describing what people like that, what I've learned today are, where they get so offended and triggered by vegans that they do everything they possibly can to go back against vegans or justify eating meat. They're meat flakes. That's what I've called them. You get the kind of ridiculous shit like that people are saying. Is it any surprise they're also making these kind of videos about, oh, it's not eating meat's not going to save the planet, so eat some meat? Shut up.